Hi everybody, April Monthly, Chapter 2, Symbol Supported, Regular Level. Finding a job. Keisha will learn about jobs. Keisha tries a job working with animals. Keisha does not like this job. She does not like to work with animals. So we learn about jobs at school as well. We have our off-site jobs and then we have our on-site jobs, trying to get you guys to figure out what you would like to do when you look for a job.
Yeah. No Corona here.
Sorry, it's a little loud. Everybody's doing school. Keisha tries a job at a restaurant. She likes this job. She likes to work with people. So Keisha found a job she liked, and that's at a restaurant working with people. Keisha tries a job doing lawn work. She does not like this job. She does not like to get hot and dirty. Kind of reminds me of our tree farm job site.
I don't know what that is.
Keisha tries a job at a hair salon. She doesn't like this job because it's boring. And that's okay. We're all going to have jobs we like and don't like. Jordan, get away. Sorry. Keisha sees a hairstylist cut hair. A hairstylist must go to school. Keisha does not want to go to school. Keisha tries a job at a nursing home. Keisha likes this job. She has a schedule. She likes having a schedule. So we know that Keisha likes to have a schedule and that she likes working with people. So those are two good things to know. Keisha thinks about jobs she likes. She thinks about jobs she does not like. She likes to work with people. She does not like to get dirty. Keisha learns about jobs. What jobs does Keisha like? Keisha needs to pick a job to do. So we know she liked working in the restaurant because she likes working with people. And then we know she liked the nursing home because she had a schedule. The nursing home needs help. Keisha wants this job. She liked working with people. She will apply for this job. That's it. So talk to your parents about what kind of jobs or things you would like to do. And then go ahead and log into Canvas and see what your assignment is for Chapter 2. Have a good day, y'all.